Hooray for Hollywood, Bo. Well, this place is changing once again. This is like the third phase of this place. We had the studio era, the get rid of Streets of America and Great Movie Ride, and the animation building era, and the Eiffel Tower. And now we're getting rid of Muppets and Star Wars, and we're changing a lot of things. There's a lot of walls. But it's still the Hollywood that never was and will always be. Right, Bo? Oh, and Adam's here today with us. We're gonna have some fun. Let's take a closer look. Hey, I found this. It's right next to Tarantino's theater down the street from El Coyote. It's kind of like halfway, but I found the building. It looks like the dark room right here. It looks the exact same in Hollywood. Another one who's been to that theater is Adam.
Hello.
Hello. Used to live in LA. So he knows a lot more about these buildings than I do. He was there every day, mostly on the boulevard. But this place,
here.
It looks like the boulevard if you really look. If you really start looking at the shapes of these things,
yeah.
It does. But we're gonna
around Hollywood Boulevard, some are on Sunset.
That's right.
And I think there was one here that's actually in San Francisco, maybe around down Sunset.
I think you did find that. I remember the burger place being where the Planet Hollywood was. That was a burger place.
Yes.
That sticks out in my mind for some reason. That was a long time ago. You know what's still here after all these years, though? The little gold-plated, the parades, little things, little markers right there. We were like crazy guys back in the day, laying on the ground showing stuff like this when this place first changed.
Yep.
And we're documenting it again. It's changing once again.
10 years ago.
And well,
maybe 10 years.
Yeah.
Always changing, man.
It's always changing. The Hollywood that never was and always will be. I got my favorite drink. This is strawberry foam on a matcha green tea. That's my new favorite thing right now. And they did Adam. And it's a Disney font on the D of Adam. So I'm Adam today. All right, I'm about to show you what really hurts. I knew this was coming, but they've walled it off. Completely walled it off. Oh my gosh, that hurts. I love that arch more than many people know and probably care. And I don't care. That's just my thing. And right here, Adam calls this the berm. This is where all the celebrities used to stand and take their photos. Michael Jackson was here with Macaulay Culkin. I saw Ice Cube here with his son. This was during the Straight Outta Compton movie era. And Ice Cube, funny enough, was wearing a Wizarding World of Harry Potter shirt, and they made him cross his arms and go back to back with Mickey for the photo, so they wouldn't show the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Isn't that funny? True story, I was here. I was standing right over here and watched them walk through that gate and take the photo here. And I did a whole video on it. Oh me, I was young. But this is where they did so many photo ops. And this is also where John Ritter welcomed us to the opening, the grand opening of Disney-MGM Studios. It's a little congested right now, but he was standing right here. That's the magic of the movies. Hi, I'm John Ritter. That's where he was. And here it is, straight ahead, where Bette Midler was standing with Michael Eisner as they dedicated this place, the original studio backlot tour. This was the entrance and the reason those arches were here. This is where you would walk in and go see the making of the movies here at the Disney-MGM Studios. You would go in and start your tour with Return to Neverland, hosted by Walter Cronkite and Robin Williams. Man, I was just thinking about Walter Cronkite and Robin Williams in the Return to Neverland. I wonder if we'll have something like that again in there.
That'd be awesome.
You know what I mean? Like a host, maybe like Josh Gad or something, like hosting a video. It's gonna be cool to see the new stuff. Like, this is what's coming. Okay, let's not like say it's gonna be something bad. Look at this, Quasimodo. There's Robin Williams. That was Robin Williams right there. That was Robin Williams' character in Return to Neverland. And there's Robin Williams as Genie. There's Robin Williams as Genie right there at the very end, saying he's going to Disney World. Look at this classic animation here. Amazing. New, old. So good, man. Brother Bear was made here. Same with Mulan. Here. God. And we've got more renderings here. Look at this. The family. just hanging out. He's pointing at, look at that, sorcerer hat's coming back. But I like this sorcerer hat because it's a good size and it reminds me of the animation studios out in Burbank, the real Disney studios. That's about what it looks like out there. And the fact that they're keeping this whole, this building here. And look, my favorite kind of windows are going to be saved. And you can meet Pluto out here. And hopefully all of these animated characters will return. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see the return of a lot of these animated characters here inside this magical place. But I'm really sad to say goodbye to these archways right here, this archway entrance. Yeah, this is what they're bringing. Right there. Look at that. Studio theater there. It's the rendering. And you can see that Brown Derby's still there. Still doesn't have the artwork on the side here. And the walls are continuing all the way around. I hope you can, Felix. I hope you can. All right, here's the entrance to Mermaid. Got the side over here. They still haven't added the artwork or the attraction poster, but you can walk all the way down along the side of the walls here in the gift shop. To the left is still open and operational next to Mermaid. And then it goes down to Launch Bay. And they've got a door. Whoa. This is crazy. This is where they exit. I'm gonna get flooded right here. That's it. But they're keeping those two pillar like things in the artwork. The Eiffel Tower, not Eiffel Tower, the sorcerer hat. It's gonna go right there. I wish they'd bring the Eiffel Tower back, right? Put that back there. Behind it, even if it's a fake one. Put it back.
Bring it back, please.
Yeah.
Mike and I would be happy.
Yeah. You don't even have to put water in it, man. Make it like just a fake thing.
It could be like the celebration water tower.
That's it. That's it. That's it. I like it.
What do they do? I didn't know what. I didn't really pay attention. But what do they do to the Disney Junior building?
I have no idea. Staying the same thing. They're just putting a new show in there. I think it's going to probably have to do with animated characters. So maybe what you see in here, you can meet over there. That's my thought process. I don't know though. That whole skyline is going to look different except for that building and that building. Just right there is going to be completely different in a way. I'm still not like, I don't know. It's just weird to me. Like such a landmark to me. Like they use that for so many things, commercials, photo ops, and now it's going away. And I don't know. I know that's progress, but I'm glad this is still here. Because Adam and I were talking about this on the way in. I come here when I miss the real Los Angeles because I can come here and experience the same architecture and vibe, and it brings happiness to me, kind of like people who like to get outdoors and look at trees or look at water, you know, or look at fine art. I like to take in architecture and old historical structures that tell a story. I think that's why this park means so much to me, because I love two things: Disney and Hollywood. Estelle Getty,
Yeah.
Rue McClanahan,
And Rick Moranis.
The
fourth Golden Girl.
That's him. He was Dorothy. That's right. Could you imagine?
Mark Hamill.
Mark Hamill. He was the boyfriend.
Yeah.
It's not the only wall that's up in the park. Muppets area has been walled up for a while. I wanted to show this for my niece. She loves Monsters, Inc. This is what's coming here. All kinds of new things coming. I noticed that the theater's called the Glob, and the fountain's staying. Same with the tower, but they're adding little monster horns. Mama Melrose is now Harry Hawson's. And then back further, what used to be a parking lot, it's coming here.
In full construction here.
Yeah.
Wazowski, man, he's got all that. I don't want to get too close and get
He's
too many
got-
spoilers. Everyone will leak that out.
Dude.
on the internet.
The Glob Theater, man.
Yeah, no more Muppet Vision.
Nope.
It's going to be the Glob. The Miss Piggy fountain. Is
Yeah,
gonna be,
stay.
Well, Miss Piggy's going to be removed, but there's still going to be a fountain. So I think it's going to be.
I was pointing this out. Look, that's Cruz Ramirez from Cars. I think Cars 3. The yellow racer right there. That's funny that they threw him in here. And I was showing this. Look at that. Look what they're adding to the top.
Oh, where the hot air balloon used to be.
Little monster horns.
That's fun.
Yeah, so they're gonna add some monster stuff up here. I'm stoked about this. I really am stoked. Sorry, Muppet fans, but I love Mike and Sully. I'm super excited that they're keeping this area because they could have bulldozed it and just kept it like a little park area, right? I remember when we were here about 10 years ago talking about them walling up everything for Streets of America and how I felt then. It's kind of how I feel now. It's like I'm eager to see the new stuff, but I'm sad to say goodbye to the memories and, I don't know, the moments that I did have in the Muppets Courtyard. I did love Muppets 3D. I really did. Don't think that I'm not a fan of that attraction. I'm excited about the future for that, and I am really excited about the future of the Animation Courtyard. I'd take that over Launch Bay any day. Not knocking Launch Bay or the cast members who worked there, but I feel like that needs to be animation.
Gosh, look at that.
I know.
You know what, though? Without that there, it really does open it up.
It does. It does,
It
yeah.
actually looks kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I always thought that building really kind of blocked a lot of space.
It did. It made it look like there was more back there than it was. I think it was just a forced perspective, kind of made you look like you were winding through a bigger park than you were. There's not a big imprint of this park, especially what they're adding to it. It's going to be massive back there.
You know what's weird, Micah? As I look at this, I feel like we're now on a Hollywood backlot. Like when you see that open space, those now look like facades again.
It does. It totally does, yeah.
Like we're at Warner.
Yeah, it looks like Warner.
Right. And if that wall was down, it would probably look really cool.
Oh, yeah.
With that much open space.
Yep, because you never see that really in a studio anymore. Yeah, this area is constantly changing over here. They've added this. I was just showing the hidden Mickey right there. This is so not theme park.
It's like beachside, it's like Santa Monica.
Yeah, it looks like something at Disney Springs almost. Oh, there's another hidden Mickey way up there, at the very top. It's Bert!
Good to see you.
Oh my gosh.
Are you enjoying your day in the park?
I'm having a great day in the park.
Wonderful day, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
Come and join me right over by the shrubbery.
We're going to go right over here.
Yes, of course. Now, as you've been here and about, have you seen Mary Poppins anywhere?
You know, I was looking for her.
So have I. She has a very busy schedule these days.
We got some wins this morning, and I was like, yes!
That's how you know she's on her way.
Yeah.
Of course, we'll have to keep our eyes skinned.
It's so good to see you, Bert.
You as well. And now, have you ever been to the Penguin Cafe before?
I've never been.
Well,
I would love to go.
I'll have to have Mr. Penguin send you the invitation.
That'd be great.
They've been working on a big musical number.
Yeah?
Yes, it's going to be spectacular.
Oh man, like you did that one time. I remember that. Yes!
Some step in time, of
Step in
course.
time, that's right.
Very nice indeed.
Great to see you.
You as well. Enjoy your time, sir.
Thank you.
Let's pop into One Man's Dream, shall we? And the thing is, there's so much progress in the history of Walt Disney World and Disneyland and just Disney. They're continuing it over here with Walt Disney Imagineering Presents, which is a new little section they have that was showing the cruise line. Sorry about the reflection of the lighting up here, but it says Walt Disney Imagineering Presents, and straight ahead on this side it starts with Magic Kingdom's Frontierland. That's going to be changed to Piston Peak over here. That's going to be really cool when they do that. Oh, look at that. There's Lightning McQueen and Tow Mater down there. And then this area, this is the Tropical Americas that's coming to Disney's Animal Kingdom. This is where Dino Land was. And this is what everything's going to be like this over here because we're getting Indiana Jones over there. I'm super excited for that. And we're getting Monstropolis, as you saw over by the Muppet area courtyard. There's the attraction that's coming. I'm excited about it. It's hard to talk in here. There's so much going on, and I'm glad we showed this, though. That was really cool inside One Man's Dream, showing what the future beholds for other parks. Yeah, we were looking over here. If you look straight ahead, you can see they've already started taking down some of the awning over there where the characters used to meet at the Disney Junior show. And Adam, I was saying, they still haven't put the Little Mermaid rendering up here. And in all the renderings of the new courtyard, there is no Little Mermaid attraction poster. I don't know if that's ever going to come back.
doesn't fit with the theming.
Yeah. There's so much at the back lot that I've never really shown. It's like little props. This is like fake rock work that they put in the parks. All this like fake rock work stuff they have.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Look, this was outside of the...
It is. You can take it with you if you want.
Souvenir right there.
But this just shows how thin and how they do these.
The facade.
Yeah.
This was the first place back in the early 90s when I came here where I learned what a facade was.
Same. Totally same, man.
Like a facade.
Yeah, that's like the before they paint it. That's like on the architecture as you walk in. And I love some of the cars they have still in here, just like little props. I think that was from the Life Aquatic. I know that was from Horizons. That's a mold right there from one of the vehicles at Horizons. It's pretty wild, all the stuff they have still sitting in there. Yeah, you just look up. You never know what kind of prop you're gonna see here. Yeah, I know that's from Horizons, but is that from the Life Aquatic with Bill Murray? It might be. On our way out, we're saying goodbye to Daisy. Goodbye, Daisy. Here it is. One of my favorite little nods. T. Kirk for Tommy Kirk. He was in The Shaggy Dog, Old Yeller. That's also the campus kook, Merlin Jones. They put his name on there. I love that. I love they did that for him. It's cool. What a fun day this was with Adam at Disney's Hollywood Studios, almost at Disney-MGM. I'm trying to break that. It's so tough. I really do love this park. I'm super excited about all the updates and changes and everything. Didn't even mention Rock and Roller Coaster with the Muppets because there's so much going on down there. Kind of forgot about that. Sorry, Muppet fans. But Monsters coming. I love it. Sad to see the arch go, but super excited about the animation courtyard. It's going to be a good time. It really is. It's going to be fun. And it was super exciting to see all the other stuff that's coming to Disney's Animal Kingdom today at One Man's Dream, and also see the Frontierland update that's coming with Piston Peak, with the Cars edition to Frontierland. All kinds of stuff are changing at the most magical place on Earth. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.